Welcome back to an episode of Joe's Garage. So this is something I noticed, is that I put down a really nice garage floor, and this area right here sometimes gets filled because I have pavers with sand and whatever it is, and when the landscaping people come and they blow with their blowers, they can blow sand into the garage and get it where I don't want it. So I am using, from Home Depot, this. It's self-leveling caulk. I'm going to pour it in there, it'll cure, and that'll keep it from having sand and dust blow through when they blow here. Just a little pro tip if you have a garage and want to keep it nice. It's simple as filling a hole with caulk. Self-leveling caulk. It's a bit drippy, so when you're done with the spot that you're doing, turn it upside down so it doesn't drip all over the place. Like you can see, there's a couple of drip spots right there. I'm gonna wipe those up with a rag, and it cleans up pretty okay. It's not that hard to clean up, but just literally pour it in there. It'll self-level, and your problem should be solved. All right, so that's what it finally looks like at the end, and you may want to use, I have one of these, like it's a plastic, I don't know, pick or whatever it is, to clean up a little bit of the edging to make it look pretty straight. I think it looks pretty good. So that's what that side looks like. This was the side that really bothered me, was right here, because that hole was pretty deep, full of sand, and it kept blowing onto all my cleaning products. I certainly don't want to use sand against my car. So I really just went ahead and did all those edging right there, so that when that garage door closes, it'll be really good. If you need to, you may want to tamp down or wet down the sand under it to make it packed so that it has a good base. And that's it. I think it looks really good. Hats off to Chris. Chris, you know who you are. You're the one who gave me this bright idea. So I give credit where credit is due. Like, share, subscribe. So here's the big moment of truth. There's not a whole lot of dust over here or anything right now. I'm going to go ahead and close the garage door, and then I'm going to blow with this thing, which gives up to 155 miles per hour of pure blowing pleasure. This is how they do it. We'll clear around. So let's see how that did. I'm now going to open my garage door. Let's see. Of course, it's not opening. Oh, there it goes. All right. Pretty good. No real dust. Maybe a smidgen, but nothing major. Let's see how it is over here. A little bit more. Maybe I'll put a little bit more in there.